Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna film another Birchbox unboxing for the January edition, and sorry that I look so beaten up. I just came from a long studying session from the library, so my makeup is all fucked up and my hair as well. So let's just go right to the box. It's probably gonna be late in January when I'm gonna post this video, but whatever, I'm gonna let it be. I got this box right at the beginning of January and I had to open it because I'm just so excited for it. So this is the way it looks. I was expecting it's such a beautiful box. It's definitely something that I'm gonna collect and hold on to. There's these flamingos all over the place. So let's open the box and see what's inside. This month's box definitely looked a little bit emptier than last month's box. So there are 5 products, as in each box. December box had more products because I think it was like a December gift. So I'm just gonna get the little paper out and I'm gonna tell you the prices for each product. So first, it's a Lord & Berry blusher crayon, which is this one. So it's a crayon blush and it says that it's full size. I never had a crayon blush before. It seems kind of counterproductive, but whatever. It's in the color peach. You could get peach or camellia. These two colors. I got this one. I like it. I haven't tried it yet. Pretty beautiful color. I love peach. So yeah, it's pretty nice. I'm gonna try to use it, but I do think that it's gonna take like some practice and some time to use. Oh, it actually blends quite well. And I definitely prefer my powder blushes over anything. Even my liquid blushes, I never use them, so this probably won't be used that much, but it's pretty cute to have. And it's supposed to be 15 pounds. Well, it is 15 pounds. Then the next product is Marcel, which is a waterproof eyeliner in charcoal. So it's this grayish color, and this is Birchbox exclusive. I don't understand if it's full size or not, but it says 10.99 pounds. Sort of a grayish color right here. It is soft but not extremely soft. I don't have any charcoal colors. I just have like straight on black, and I guess that I could use this. Then the product that I'm probably most excited for is this moisturizing foundation primer. It pretty much looks like a highlighter. Even the box is super cute. So it's from Paul & Joe Beauty. I never heard of this before, and it's obviously a small sample. The full size product is 24 pounds. And this looks like a highlighter when I open it. It looks like a little perfume bottle of something. And can I get some out? Okay. It smells kind of weird. Oh well. It doesn't look like a highlighter on the hand. I have another moisturizing primer which is from Catrice, which is pretty cheap, but it does really do that. Like, it kind of moisturizes it and it kind of makes everything a little bit more bright. So I think this would be the same thing, apart from the fact that this would be a high-end product. So I am excited to try. I love primers, so that's why I'm excited for it, but it's like a little quantity, so probably I'm gonna be like finishing this pretty fast if I really do like it. Then I have some dry shampoo, which is from Amica. I've seen this brand before in many YouTuber videos, and it's per cup dry shampoo. The full size is 20 pounds. It doesn't say how much this size is. This is a really cute bottle, lovely design. I don't have a dry shampoo here on me, so I could use this. I don't really use dry shampoo that much. Not even like, I just prefer to shower like every day or every 2 days, but I do want to try this. I only use the Batiste ones and I use the BB ones, the Sephora product that it's sold in Sephora, like BB, the brand, Bumble maybe. And I didn't really like either of these. This is gonna be like Batiste, probably just a little bit more expensive. I just think that the dry shampoo are not really my thing. And then I have After Spa Amazing Makeup Remover. It came in this bag. So it's a makeup remover that I like, the one that I reviewed on my channel, the makeup remover cloth that I bought like 2 years ago, I think. Already the trend with these makeup removers has passed like a long time ago. If when I did that review, I really loved that cloth. I still have them at home, not here in my uni hauls, and I really like the concept. They really save like a lot of makeup remover products, and they're really easy to use, and they're really comfortable because you just wet this in hot water and it just feels great on the skin. This is obviously a small one and it's so cute. It's like a little Barbie carpet. And I really like these things, but it's just hard to wash them, you know, when you have to wash them like super often, and I don't have a washing machine here. I just have to wash it like where all the students wash their clothes, so it won't be practical for me. But I do like it, and it's like small, and I could like travel with it, and it's so soft, so I do really like it. And this is £5.50. No, I don't get if £5.50 is for a large size or for this, but I guess it's this. Good if you spend a night at other people's places after a date or something. Maybe you can just like literally put this in your bag and you can just take your makeup without any other products. Just this will take all the makeup, even the lipsticks. So it's pretty good, and it's so small you could fit anywhere. And since it's January and I guess it's the month of planners, they don't give you a planner, they give you like these stickers, which are pretty beautiful, again with a flamingo and pink and bluish thing, and it's like be fabulous to do, need important, so pretty cute. And the discount code is, this one is for stationery products, and it says 50% off your first paper gang box. Also it's another box to get like stationery stuff. I'm just gonna make the grand total and I'm gonna tell you how much this box is worth. So this brochure doesn't really say how much the mini size products cost, so I just had to wing it, and approximately to me this box was £34.50p in total, so that's the worth of it, and I paid £12 for it. So again, it's a pretty good deal. I'm just not sure that the simple size are costing that much. Still, I had more like hair products that I was excited to try because I never try hair products. This box, I do think that they give you some stuff that are like pretty long lasting, like these two pencils and this washing cloth. This lasts like up to 1,000 washes, so I think that's pretty good. Like eye pencils usually last me like 2 years, so like forever. So these products will last me a long time, then these products will be easily finished. Now, how much I'm gonna use them, I don't really know, because none of these products are really my style, but I'm still excited to have them and to try new products. And I also love the box and I love the surprise, so for me it's kind of worth it. I'm just gonna see what next box brings to me, and yeah, I'm gonna see from then if I still want to continue with the box. This was all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you next time.